Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Second Brain AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't already installed the Second Brain AI on your web browser, then open up your web browser first. Then in the address bar, type in usesecondbrain.com and press enter. Now from the official website, click on Use Second Brain Now, and this will take you into the Chrome Web Store page. From this page, click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension to install the Second Brain AI onto your web browser. After the installation is done, you will see a notification. Close the notification and click on the Extensions tab. And from this page, you can click on Second Brain to immediately log in and start using right away. As soon as you open it up, you can start using your Second Brain account right away. You can click on Add More and purchase more words for your Second Brain plan. You can also click on the Pin button for the Second Brain AI in order to pin it alongside your Extensions tab. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your account on Second Brain AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.